All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into today's headlines, and who better to kick things off with than Google? They've been busy making waves in multiple arenas, and their fingerprints are all over the tech news today. Let's break down why Google, and more precisely Google Cloud, is in the spotlight. Firstly, let's zoom in on the blockbuster partnership with Warner Bros. Discovery. The dynamic duo, Warner Bros. Discovery and Google Cloud, have teamed up to supercharge the Max streaming platform with AI-generated captions. This collaboration is anything but a filler episode. It's poised to significantly enhance caption accuracy and efficiency. The brains behind this grand experiment have aptly named it Caption AI. Powered by Google's Vertex AI platform, this smart tech can slash the time needed to create captions by up to a staggering 80%, while also cutting costs by about 50%. Picture this: you're binge-watching Game of Thrones without any caption glitches. Initially targeting unscripted programming, this AI tool won't just spell out dialogues, but will probably do it with the flair of Tyrion Lannister's wit. Avi Saxena, Warner Bros. Discovery's tech guru, emphasized that top-quality captions aren't just a luxury, they're essential. And who would dispute that, especially with such beloved shows in the mix? Next up, our star player Google has been moonlighting with ScottsMiracle-Gro, another giant, this time in the lawn and gardening sector. ScottsMiracle-Gro has introduced an AI-powered agent, thrillingly named the gardening sommelier. This bot isn't recommending wine to pair with your dinner, it's rolling out bespoke gardening advice and product recommendations. Built on Google Cloud Vertex AI, this tech marvel is first being tested by ScottsMiracle-Gro's internal team and is soon to be unleashed to over 1,000 field associates. Imagine a sales associate armed with a virtual green thumb answering any plant-related quandary at the drop of a hat. Emily Wall, ScottsMiracle-Gro's VP of IT, is obviously jazzed about how this tech can pare down the colossal 450-page training manual to a mere touch of a button on a mobile device. Who wouldn't be? It's like going from dial-up to fiber optic. Lastly, Google's got its gaming gloves on with Solana Labs. They've launched Gameshift, a Web3 API aimed at making the once daunting task of integrating blockchain tech into traditional games as simple as pressing start. Announced at the 2024 Solana Breakpoint conference, Gameshift is designed to bring Web3's magic, think NFTs and digital assets, into the well-loved realms of traditional gaming. This integration is set to be a game-changer for developers looking to bridge the gap between conventional and cutting-edge gaming experiences. And there you have it. Google Cloud is not just clouding around. It's making solid moves in streaming, consumer retail, and even gaming, proving that whether you're on your couch, in your garden, or in a virtual battlefield, Google's cutting-edge technology is setting the stage for a seamless, smart, and seriously thrilling future. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.